Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you are facing an annoying issue on OBS Studio that it's appearing a black screen here, so this video is for you. So first, you have to do, if you have created a new scene and you want to add a source, make sure you have to click on plus button and click on this display capture, or if you're playing a game, you can simply click on game capture. So simply click on one of this. So display capture is always preferable for all type of screen recording. So simply click on it, and when you have select the display capture, you have to select the length of the display capture. But if it's showing black, then you have to simply click on this display capture from here, and you can find the display here. Simply click on the drop down and select your current monitor, and it will appear your picture probably. But if this issue persists, then you can simply click on this properties and simply click on this capture method here and select this Windows 10 or 11 if you have one. So then you can select it, and also you can go with the automatic also. Try to change between all of these here and see which one works for you. Then you can find the display here, choose that and simply click on OK, and you are good to go. Or if it's solved yet, not solved yet, so you have to do is simply find out the OBS Studio application. Here it is. Now right click on it, just right click on it and simply click on run as administrator and simply click on yes, and it will start run as administrator. Or other thing you can do is simply search, click on the start button here and search for graphics. Here is graphic settings. So you can find this direct graphic settings from here, and you have to come down to the list here where you can find the OBS Studio. But if you can find this OBS Studio here, then you have to simply click on add desktop app. Now you are on the program file. Simply go to program file, and from here you have to search for the OBS file here. Here it is, the OBS Studio. Simply double click on it, and you have to click on data, and again OBS Studio. You have to simply find for search for the OBS. Let me show you. If I'm on the OBS, or you can search for only OBS 64, and here it is. Now you have to double click on it and simply click on add, or you can double click on it to add this OBS 64-bit application on your this graphic settings. Now when you have added it, you have to simply click on this arrow icon to expand that section and simply click on GPU preference, click on this drop down and make sure you have added or select this high performance according to your current graphics card here. Then also you can click on reset to reset the default settings and try to turn on your OBS recorder again or OBS Studio again and see if it's solved or not. So it will probably solve all of your issue if you have follow all of this step. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.